Do this every night to burn chest fat asleep. Are you frustrated with stubborn chest fat that just won't go away? Did you know that nearly 50% of adults in Europe are overweight, and many struggle specifically with chest fat? This issue isn't just about aesthetics. It can also affect your health and confidence. Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into an incredible nighttime routine that can help you burn chest fat while you sleep. Yes, you heard that right. Burn fat while you sleep. Lying arm crossovers. Let's begin with our first exercise. Lie on your back with your legs extended and resting on the floor. Raise your arms to shoulder level with your palms facing forward. Now raise your arms in front of you and cross them, bringing the right arm over to the left side and the left arm over to the right side. Bring them back to the floor and repeat. This is a great exercise that will engage your chest and front shoulders. Perform the exercise with faster activation while keeping your arms at shoulder level throughout. Lying Svend press. Stay on the floor and bend your knees, keeping your feet flat on the floor. Raise your arms in front of your chest and bring your palms together. Press your palms and slightly bend your elbows, tensing your shoulder and chest muscles. Hold this for a few seconds and release. Repeat the exercise. This is a great way to strengthen and tone your shoulders, upper arms, and chest muscles. Press your palms as hard as you can throughout the exercise, keeping your arms above your chest and your elbows slightly bent. Lying around the world. For the following exercise, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Keep your arms at your sides with palms facing down. Slide your arms to the sides, raising them overhead. Pause for a moment and lower them back to your sides. This exercise will strengthen your chest and shoulder muscles as well as your upper back. It will improve mobility and relieve tension. Try to keep your arms on the floor throughout as you raise them and stretch them reaching up. Perform at a moderate pace.
I'll do it all again cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking for
Lying chest flies. For the next exercise, remain on the floor and extend your legs, keeping them on the floor. Stretch your arms at your sides to shoulder level, rotating your palms up. This is your starting position. Raise your arms and bring them over your chest. Pause for a moment and lower them to the floor. Repeat the movement. This is a great exercise that will strengthen your chest muscles and tone them. Keep your elbows slightly bent as you raise your arms. Inhale as you raise your arms and exhale as you lower them. Perform at a comfortable pace. Lying punches. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Raise your arms in front of your chest with your palms facing toward each other. Lower your arms to the floor, keeping them at shoulder level. When you reach the floor, bring them back up and bend your elbows, placing your upper arms on the floor. Now push with your left arm, bring it down, and repeat with the right. Extend both arms in front of you and lower your arms. Repeat the exercise. This is a great movement that will strengthen your chest, shoulders, and upper arms. Perform the exercise at a moderate pace. Lying chest stretch. Let's finish the workout with a stretching exercise. Lie on your left side and place your left arm behind your back, with your arms extended at shoulder level. Place your right hand in front of your chest with your elbow bent. Bend your knees and press with your right hand to the floor, twisting your body up and pressing your left arm to the floor. You should feel a nice stretch in your chest and upper arm. Be careful not to overstretch your muscles. This exercise will improve flexibility and mobility in your shoulders. Hold the stretch and breathe deeply. Repeat the exercise on your right side.
I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet.